Hello and welcome back. My name is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a review, and the review is of a £5 coin that came out just recently in 2023, and it's part of the Icon series of coins. This particular series is the King Arthur series, and this is the final coin of the set for 2023. It's the Morgan Le Fey. It shows Morgan with a bow in her hand, and it's got Morgan's head and body here, and and also this side I think there's a staff. Morgan was in mythology the sister of King Arthur. She had certain magical powers, and she used some most of the time for good, but occasionally there's a couple of bad things, I believe. I don't know the full story, so I can't give you the full ins and outs of it. But what I do know is she was Arthur's sister, and that she had some magical powers. Some for good and some for bad. But I believe it's mainly good. And I can be stand corrected on the bad part. This coin is one of the nicer coins from the King Arthur series. I haven't had a problem with any of them. Merlin was a very good coin, King Arthur was a good coin, and this one has completed the series of 3 for this year superbly well. I understand the next of the Icon series is going to be the Robin Hood series that they've already released in the bullion format. To complete the bullion collection that I have for the 3 series, the only one I'm missing are Merlin and Morgan Le Fey, so I'm going to be looking to get those in the near future. As I say, this coin is I think it's a wonderful coin. I love these. I love this series of coins. The one gripe I have about this series of coins is that they don't complete the set. There are so many characters that are outstanding from the Myths and Legends of King Arthur, the Robin Hood series when it was in a bullion format, and also from the series before, the... oh blimey, which one was it? I think, Steve. What was the series before? You know, my mind's gone blank. Give me a second, please. You know, I can't find it. I'm going to kick myself when I remember it. And it's bound to be after I finish this particular video. You know, I really cannot think of what the coins are. Oh, that is so annoying. That is so annoying that I can't remember which the other sets, the third set was. So please excuse my fragile memory for that. I should have known and should have done the research before I did this video, so that's my own fault. If you can remind me of the series that I'm missing of the 3 Icon series, let me know in the thingy below and call me an idiot for not remembering it. So, as I say, I love these Icon series coins far better than the Music Icon series. I believe, as I say, the only gripe I had is the fact that they never completed one series before going on to another one. So, there are room for expansion in all three series. Whether they'll do that or whether they'll introduce a fourth new series, I don't know. After they've done the Robin Hood single metal series, the Cooper Nickel series, I don't know. That's something for the future. If you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me the thumbs up? If you think I deserve it, would you please give me a subscription? I'm trying to aim for 250 subscribers by the end of this year. I set that target for myself in January of 2023. I currently stand at 226, I believe, so therefore I'm on target to reach 250 by the end of December 31st, January the 1st period. But I still need your help, if you believe I deserve it, to hit that subscriber target that I set myself. I do a minimum of 4 videos a week. Usually I release 5. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins or banknotes, whatever you're buying, I hope that you can find it for the price that you want to pay. And finally, thank you for staying to the end of the video, and from me, until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you and bye bye. Ta-ra now.